little breezy across the valley today. I think we're looking at a lot less wind by later this evening and tomorrow. Not very windy at all. So winds maybe 10 miles per hour or less most of Wednesday coming up. Should see dry weather most of the day, but there might be a little shower in spots as temperatures warm back into the 80s. Our chances of showers are small, but little spots of showers may pop up from time to time this week, maybe centered more around Friday or so as a weak cold front moves into the area. But doubtful there'll be much, if any, rainfall across the majority of the valley all the way through the weekend. So most of the time it's looking dry. 84 in Edinburgh right now, 80 in Weslaco, 89 in Rio Grande City. It's cooled off a little more in the lower valley near the coast, where it's dropped back to 80 in Brownsville and 77 in South Padre Island. The breezes were gustiest earlier this afternoon, but they've been on a slow decline already. The wind speeds without the gusts still in about the 20 to 25 mile per hour range across parts of the lower valley. You see 24 of the sustained wind in Weslaco, Raymondville, and Harlingen, but occasionally gusts is still close to 30 miles per hour in a few spots in the lower valley. Those winds coming from the south and southeast, though, bringing up the humidity. It's not so apparent in the upper valley, but where these dew points we're looking at right here, around 70 in Brownsville near the coast. Getting a little muggy out there today, which means it will also help keep the temperatures up tonight. So your evening planner will see temperatures kind of just gradually fall through the 70s with still a good bit of high cloudiness scattered around, but you may see some stars from time to time. You may see a few thicker clouds late tonight if some low clouds form, but the breeze is decreasing pretty rapidly just after sunset. So if you're out by about 8, 9, 10 o'clock, not as gusty at all out there. Now the satellite radar shows clouds coming in, but no rain, just maybe some high clouds still scattered around this evening. And like I mentioned, high clouds this evening. We may catch some lower clouds as the temperatures cool off a little more late tonight and drop down closer to 70 or in the upper 60s late tonight. But generally a pretty quiet evening out there after the winds die off. Future track overnight doesn't show a lot going on, just some clouds around, pretty much a quiet night across the valley. Tomorrow, I think we'll be in and out of clouds again. The clouds may thicken up a little bit from time to time, and you could catch a little sprinkle or light rain shower, but rain chances are small and rainfall amounts are even smaller. So, you know, if you get a little sprinkle or a shower to kind of put spots on your car and, you know, for 5 or 10 minutes, that might be about it. But most areas look dry. And then tomorrow afternoon, evening, most areas again dry. But watch by 9 or 10 o'clock. Future track does try to show a few more showers briefly firing up. There is a weak front in the area tomorrow. I didn't draw it on here because there's not really a well-defined boundary still left to it, I think, by late in the evening. But if it still holds together, you might catch a shower or two in the evening. Then for Thanksgiving Day, kind of partly sunny skies around. Still some moisture in the air, so you might see a little blip here show up as a sprinkle or two in the valley, but things looking pretty dry for Thanksgiving. Friday, another weak front will be trying to come in from the north, and moisture ahead of it may spark a few light rain showers or sprinkles. So out of the next few days, like I said, rain chances are small, but if you kind of had to put some numbers on it, you'll see that they are looking pretty small here in a minute. We'll show you what Future Track says tomorrow in terms of rainfall through tomorrow afternoon and evening. You see, it's saying most areas get nothing or almost nothing. It does try to show maybe a little burst of a shower in the evening up to about 1/4 of an inch or so, but most areas, again, probably staying dry. And rain chances about 20% tomorrow for something very light, almost nothing on Thursday. And then Friday, out of those 3 days, you might catch the most steadiest of a shower, if even that. So, you know, again, rain chances small, but you might get a couple spots on your car. And your first 15-7-day forecast coming up on Thanksgiving, and turkey's flapping his wings there. See it?
He doesn't look very tasty.
Yeah, this is
He looks more like a pet.
Yeah, this is more like the turkey mascot, the one we're not eating. But temperatures in the 80s next few days.
A pardon.
A weak cold front moves through on Friday, so we could see a little drop in temperatures later Friday and Saturday. Highs in the upper 70s and near 80 degrees, but very little rainfall. By Sunday, we're back into the warm stuff again with highs in the 80s and some sunshine. And if you're looking for a strong cold front, something kind of like we saw last weekend where it cooled things off, probably not happening for a while. Some of the longer range models, Letty, say maybe by next Wednesday or Thursday,
right,
more than a week from now, we could see a stronger front.
Oh, looking forward to a little bit of the chillier weather.
Yeah, but just not for Thanksgiving. No cold air for Thanksgiving.
That's okay. We can do without it. All right. Thanks a lot, Alan. And I love that turkey.